And good morning, guys. Today is Saturday, the 16th. We got a Jeep Compass 2018 here. We're going to be installing an amplifier. I already mounted the amplifier already, and then I ran the zero gauge, odd gauge through here, make a hole, and grommet right there. Down here, we ran it under here, and we taped them. Here it is, the how do you run the zero gauge wire. You want to tie it right here, every 12 inches right here. There, make sure it's not too close to the muffler. Whoops, where's the camera at? I can't see that right there. That's why I didn't really show you, because it's not easy to take a video. On the back of the rear speaker right there, this should be I don't think it's 6x9. According to my manual, it said a different size. I don't think it is, but for me, the color on the left rear would be dark green, dark blue is positive, and dark green brown is negative. I don't see dark green and dark blue, so I'm gonna guess this one right here. I got gray and dark blue is positive, and gray and light green is negative right here for the speaker. And also it does have another color right here, which I don't know if it's a speaker or not. It would be gray and red and gray and yellow. So I'm just gonna have to figure out the darker color is positive for the speaker. So I ran the speaker. This is for the line out converter. So here I'm gonna make a good ground. Since I'm doing a zero gauge, I'm gonna drill it first. This is you can buy this kit from Amazon, and if anybody need any, I can link below. But if not, I'm just keep doing it. And here I'm using the brush. The brush it comes with the whole kit in the box. I think the whole kit is $20. I don't know if anybody wanna do what I'm doing right now. All you can do is stand it out real good and put 2 self-tapping screw and screw it on there, and you should be good. But this is the best way to do it if you are installing a zero gauge or a bigger amp. Any amp above 2,000 watts, I'm always doing this type of ground. using a 13 millimeter right there. When you remove this, I try to remove this with 10 millimeter. It's kind of hard. It doesn't come. I don't want to cut these rings. So I'm gonna try to put it here because the reason being is this battery will go here and here. You don't want to put it here because it's got a fuse from here to there. You want to use right here. So in order to do that, I'm trying to hold this thing over right there. Make sure you not break any piece of those metal contacts. So yes, you have to take it all the way out if you're gonna do my way. But if you wanna cut this, make it like a spade terminal, you can just plug it right in. But I'm not doing that. I'm doing like this way. And yes, they lost a piece right here, so it's not there. So if the piece is still there, I would cut this a little bit right here and then put the wire sticking out like so. But right here it doesn't matter. And put it about right there. Maybe this way better, I think. Yep. That way it's lined up parallel basically. I don't use drill on this one. This is the only thing that I don't use drill, even though I know I'm really good with using drill. I'm not doing that. You can break this piece and then you're in trouble. So yes, this is an old gem sound. I haven't seen this for forever. It's 15, so one of the speakers blown. We tested earlier, and as you can notice earlier when we did the video, I basically using an LC2I. It required power, ground, and remote out. Right there, remote out go to the amp, power from the battery. The B plus go into the red right there, and then the black is the ground that we made earlier. And the wire coming from there, positive, will go to this one right there. This red is positive, and the negative will go to the next one. I'm just put on the left hand side. And yes, the speaker is not working. One of them we tested earlier. Now we're going to turn it on, see if it will work before I put everything back in.